y'all, just a quick review. So if you own a 1985 to a 1992 Camaro or Pontiac Firebird, you know how important it is to keep your car running smoothly. So today my dad was swapping out the old gas fuel tank vent valve on his Trans Am for a new one. So he's taken off the old one here, and you can see it's pretty worn and dirty, and it's definitely time for a replacement. This is the new vent valve that he got. It's designed to fit perfectly and perform just like the original part. The quality feels solid, rugged materials, precision design, and it's just make sure to double check the part numbers and the compatibility chart before ordering. This one fits the 1985 to 1992 Camaro, Firebird, and Trans Am. So installing this was very straightforward. He just removed the old one, aligned the new valve, and secured it in place. It was quick and a very simple way to keep your fuel system working properly. And there it is, good as new, and you can hear it.